Hello friends, welcome. So is your Logitech G hub stuck on the loading screen forever? Don't worry, in this quick video I'll show you how to fix it in under 2 minutes. So first guys, you need to right click on your taskbar and open the task manager. As you can see, it's already on my left side of the screen. After that, you need to find anything that is related to G hub. So for example, this service is the main service. This is the program that's running right now for me. And what you need to do, guys, is to close anything that is related to G hub in your task manager. So just go ahead and, you can do it without the keyboard, just enter the task like that. And now the G hub, as you can see, we have the G hub and this one as well. And search for any other service that is also running. This one, updater, and close all of them. I think this should be pretty much it. Yeah, there's nothing else. Okay, so that's good. Now all the services are gone. This is going to be our first fix. And of course, after doing this, just reload the application and everything should be working fine. Alright, as you can see, everything started, everything works. Okay, my friends, so if the previous method did not work, you need to go to your application settings folder. In the case of G hub, it's going to be located in your user folder. After that, app data, local, and then G hub. And guys, make sure to delete everything inside of this folder. Just press on delete. Okay, so as you can see, I did not close one of the services. Let us find which one. Okay, it's no longer here. Great, so this will not delete your program. It will just uninstall the corrupt files that may be present in this folder and make sure that your app is still functioning, but the corrupt files are erased. And just like I said, if the previous step number 1 did not help, do this one and then restart the app once again. This should fix your issues. Guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.